Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be testing out a TikTok makeup hack. It's Nikkie Tutorials nose contour hack, and I'm so excited to try this out because I love myself a good nose contour. So I'm going to try it out today for the first time on camera. But before we do that, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a like, comment down below, let me know what you guys want to see next, and let's get into the video. This works out because I'm going out after this and I'm not trying to look all crazy, so hopefully this isn't a fail. So the first thing she does is she bronzes her entire nose with a bronzer. So I'm going in with my Hoola bronzer and I'm gonna do just that. I'm gonna bronze up my entire nose. So she does from top to bottom, like literally your entire nose. Okay. Then she goes in with a powder, your face powder. So we're going to try it out with this now. I love using like a yellow powder because I just feel like it just gives more of a brightening effect because it's like that banana color. Okay, so this is with the Morphe powder. I just like a yellow undertone a little bit better, so I'm just going to do this and just see if this gives me more of a defined look. And don't mind the sun because the sun's really playing me. It's like setting, it's coming up, it's setting, it's just playing me right now, so please don't mind if you see the brightness going up and down in the video. Okay, so now we're just going to remove this. So this is what it looks like after I took off the setting powder. So you can see it did make it look a little bit more snatched. It did make a difference, but I like to always contour along my eye as well. So I'm going in with my contour powder and I'm going to go in and extend it into my eye. And you don't have to do this, but this is just like a preference for me. I feel like if you're contouring your nose, you want to bring it up to your eye so that it kind of just, you know, just all looks put together. I'm just going to go a little bit down my nose, just a smidge, because I want it just to add a little bit more definition. I'm using my Amrezy highlighter, and I'm using an eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going in and highlighting the bridge of my nose. This is just really lightly. And then I'm going to highlight the tip of my nose. I love highlighting the tip of my nose. My boyfriend's always like, you have something on your nose, but it's highlight, honey. Okay, so this is the final look. I feel like my nose looks snatched. Like, I like this. I feel like it really made it look a little bit more snatched. So if we're being honest here, I feel like the hack works. It does make a difference, but I feel like it's not enough. Like, I feel like I still need to go in with my actual brush and my contour powder and contour into my eye socket and just a little bit more down my nose for a little bit more definition. But that's just me. So I think both of them together work really, really well. But comment down below. Let me know, did this work for you? What are the hacks you guys know about? Share some information. I'm always trying to like learn new things. So comment down below. Let me know what worked for you. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.